Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coin again. Tomorrow is the day you can download Shiba Inu coins. Major news about Shib Eternity. Shiba Inu appears to have some plans for the day that users can download Shiba Eternity as the company prepares for the full launch of its Shiba Inu game. You can now take the Shiba Eternity test in Vietnam. The complete launch of the game is something that Shib holders are anxiously anticipating. This Vietnam location wall may be evading certain gamers. In order to meet the demand, the Shib developers had to boost the server capacity 50 times. The video will cover tomorrow's Shiba Inu coin download day. Major news about Shib Eternity. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. Tuesday saw uneven trading for major cryptocurrency tokens as investors were rattled by increased inflation fears and the US Federal Reserve's hawkish stance. In the 7 days after the US FOMC minutes were released, the majority of cryptocurrency tokens have experienced a 20% decline, insinuating that the central bank will keep its existing interest rate prescription of 75 basis points for inflation. Despite Cardano and Ethereum's opposition to Shiba Inu's comparable growth, the dog breed was still selling at a 2% decrease. Trading slightly higher at the $1.02 trillion mark, the global cryptocurrency market cap remained largely constant during the past 24 hours. Nonetheless, the overall trade volume surged by more than 18%, reaching about $70.62 billion. The price of Shiba Inus is displaying highly negative technical indicators, which raises the possibility that a reversal of fortunes is about to occur. A 5-wave impulse into the bullish goals was indicated by the technicals, which might lead to a quick liquidation. A 35% increase in the price of Shiba Inus in a single day on August 15th broke beyond both bullish targets. Due to the influx of buyers, the Relative Strength Index deemed the Shiba Inu price as more overbought compared to its February 2022 trading level of $0.003261. Was approximately 150% higher. Bearish volume surged close to the peak of the price increase, and a classic bearish ramping pattern occurred simultaneously with the RSI divergence. The current price of Shiba Inu is $0.00001314. There have been a lot of negative signs, but the media keeps making headlines about how Shiba Inu tokens are being burned from the overall supply. The Economic Times reports that in the summer of 2022, there were 400 trillion tokens. Some Twitter users have weighed in on the debate by offering theoretical models that speculate on how the destruction of Shib coins would affect the value of Shiba Inus and the ecosystem as a whole. The possibility of burning 111 trillion tokens within months has been suggested by a well-known Twitter account and supporter of Shib at ShibEP. The Shiba Inu price has not shown a strong correlation with the burn token idea, even when the market sentiment is hopeful. Technical analysis suggests that the Shib price has had difficulty making consistent rises and that the latest 35% surge may have been too strong for bulls to maintain. The most current pump and dump scenario throws off the prior technical predictions, which had predicted a further 25% drop. The short-term bearish goals of interest are close to the liquidity levels of $0.000970 if the price breaks and closes above $0.00001700. Bearish thesis is false. If the bulls can break over this level, it might set the stage for a bullish scenario with a price goal of $0.00001978 would be 52% higher than the current Shiba Inu price. Even though the Shiba Inu's value dropped by a penny from the Eiffel style, the market sentiment is still positive. The price of Shiba Inus is displaying highly negative technical indicators, which raises the possibility that a reversal of fortunes is about to occur. A 5-wave impulse into the bullish goals was indicated by the technicals, which might lead to a quick liquidation. Since its inception in 2020, Shiba Inu, one of the leading meme currencies, has experienced tremendous gains. Thanks to its impressive performance, Shiba Inu has quickly become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, and it is currently ranked in the top 20 by market capitalization. Due to a price surge of more than 48 million%, everybody who invested $2 in Shib in January 2021 became a millionaire by November. With all these considerations taken into account, Shib is the best cryptocurrency to buy in for 2022. Despite being less than 65% off its recent highs, Dogecoin had a strong start to 2021, but by the year's end, Shiba Inu had surpassed it as the most popular meme coin. While Shib did better in the indexes, the initial excitement around Dogecoin died down as its price stayed flat for months. A flood of new investors flooded into the market as a result of the Shiba Inu's meteoric rise to prominence. Shiba Inu has more Twitter followers than Dogecoin after 1 year. Even though Dogecoin had 3.1 million loyal Twitter followers, its rival performed better in terms of ownership. With 3,441,762 followers, Shib has surpassed Dogecoin's 3,439,746. There are 2,220 less Twitter followers for Shib than Dogecoin at the moment. In February of 2021, Shib token became a Twitter user. In contrast, Dogecoin became a member of the social networking platform in December 2013. The Shib team stayed true to their motto of being the Dogecoin killer by ignoring all that Doge stood for. In terms of market capitalization, Shib briefly overtook Doge in 2018 and knocked it out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Still, Shib has dropped to 12th place and Doge has regained its status as the 10th biggest cryptocurrency. Santiment, an on-chain data research platform, has reported that some big Doge and Shib holders dumped their coins this week in anticipation of the market drop. The price peaks of Shiba Inu on August 14th and Dogecoin on August 16th were closely followed by large-scale Shib and Doge transactions totaling $100,000 or more, which predicted the subsequent market corrections for both coins. Like clockwork, the whale's massive transactions on each network foretold the optimal times to take profits, according to Santiment's writing. As a result of the report, some individual investors who were holding. That is why I contend that the genuine Shib army is at war with whales. When the price goes up even by a little bit, the whales profit and bring it down even further since they control the price. Otherwise, we'll have to struggle for years just to lose zero more. We need another massive blaze. The high total quantity of Shiba Inu 1 quadrillion was brought out by another commenter. With such massive resources at their disposal, do you really think Shib has a chance of succeeding? I mean it seriously. Shiba has helped me in the short term, yet I was never a big fan of it in the first place. Shiba Inu whales pumped the price up by 40% in a week, from August 7th to the 13th, just before this crash. The Shiba Inu price has fallen 21% so far this week, and it seems like they've turned a profit. It appears like Shiba Inu has something planned for Shiba Eternity download day as it prepares for the full launch of its Shiba Inu game. Players in Vietnam can now experience the Shiba Eternity, and they can't wait for the game's official debut. This Vietnam location wall may be evading certain gamers. The server capacity had to be increased 50-fold by the Shib developers. In celebration of Shiba Eternity's complete debut, the developers are gearing up for Download Day, an event that will assist boost the game just when it goes live. Project manager Shitoshi Kusama suggested the concept on the official Shib Discord server. According to him, they intend to have everyone download the game. We can start taking action even if they never make a single purchase. This was not elaborated upon by Shitoshi. Regarding the matter at hand, additional information will be provided in due course. Whether it's through sales, a social media frenzy, or some other strategy, Shib is going to do everything it can to convince its 1.2 million holders to download Shiba Eternity. Shitoshi has expressed his desire for the game to reach 1 million downloads in the future. Depending on the latest news from Shitoshi Kusama, this download day could coincide with the release of Shiba Eternity in September. Anywhere else than Shiba Eternity. From various Shib projects, there is a wealth of Shiba Inu news. With the possible release of the Shibarium beta in August, the majority of attention is still directed towards Shibarium. The team has upgraded its Discord server to incorporate channels based on the metaverse map, thus Shib holders may soon receive new information or features for the Shiba Inu metaverse. The metaverse, which has sold nearly 20,000 pieces of land, is one of numerous projects that have managed to stay under the radar while everyone is still talking about the Shiba Inu game and Shibarium. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.